Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on an enchanting journey through the land of pharaohs and pyramids, Egypt. Get ready to explore 10 breathtaking landscapes and tourist attractions that will leave you in awe. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our global adventures. Now let's embark on this unforgettable Egyptian expedition. Our first stop takes us to the iconic Giza Plateau, home to the Great Pyramids of Egypt. Standing proudly for over 4,500 years, these ancient wonders are a testament to the engineering brilliance of the ancient Egyptians. The Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure create a mesmerizing skyline, especially during sunrise or sunset. The Sphinx, with its enigmatic smile, guards these colossal structures, making Giza a must-see destination. Now let's head south to Luxor, known as the world's greatest open-air museum. Our next spot is the Karnak Temple Complex. Brace yourselves for a journey through time as you wander through the colossal columns and intricate hieroglyphs. The Hypostyle Hall, dedicated to the god Amun, is a breathtaking spectacle, and the avenue of sphinxes leading to the Luxor Temple is a majestic pathway that shouldn't be missed. As we continue our Egyptian adventure, our next destination is the mesmerizing Siwa Oasis. Tucked away in the western desert, this oasis is a haven of natural beauty and tranquility. Explore the Oracle Temple of Amun, take a dip in Cleopatra's Bath, and witness the stunning sunset at the Great Sand Sea. Siwa Oasis offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural wonders. Prepare to be enchanted as we make our way to the White Desert, a surreal landscape resembling an otherworldly masterpiece. The chalk-white rock formations, sculpted by wind and sand, create an ethereal atmosphere. Camping under the starlit sky amidst these ghostly formations is an experience you'll treasure forever. Our journey now takes us underwater to the Red Sea in Dahab. Known as the Blue Hole, this natural wonder is a paradise for divers. The crystal-clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life make it a top destination for underwater enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, the Red Sea's underwater beauty is bound to leave you spellbound. Let's soar to new heights as we explore the Valley of the Kings in Luxor. This ancient burial ground is home to the tombs of pharaohs and high-ranking officials. The vividly decorated walls inside the tombs tell stories of the afterlife and the journey to eternity. The famous tomb of Tutankhamun is a must-see, revealing treasures that have fascinated the world for centuries. Our Egyptian adventure wouldn't be complete without a visit to the bustling Khan el-Khalili market in Cairo. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, fragrant spices, and the lively atmosphere of this historic market. From traditional crafts to aromatic spices, Khan el-Khalili is a sensory delight for every traveler. Now let's explore the temple of Hatshepsut in the ancient city of Deir el-Bahari. This mortuary temple, dedicated to the female pharaoh Hatshepsut, is a marvel of ancient Egyptian architecture. Nestled against the cliffs of the Theban mountains, the temple offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Our final destination is the vibrant city of Alexandria, where we'll discover the Khetpe Citadel. Built on the site of the ancient Pharos lighthouse, this fortress offers panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. Stroll along the fortifications, explore the interior chambers, and soak in the rich history of this coastal gem. And there you have it, 10 amazing landscape and tourist attractions that make Egypt an unforgettable destination. From the timeless pyramids to the underwater wonders of the Red Sea, Egypt's beauty is truly unparalleled. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels! Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Egypt. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Ma as-salama!